Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is February the 12th, 2019. Let's jump into the markets. $117 billion and holding. BTC USD is 3,590 bucks. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a sideways action here from this was the candle that just closed, and now we're getting this brand new one here. But we did flash down basically to the 9. The market may not consider this a perfect touch. If I zoom in, you see that gap there. The market may still want to go down and touch the 9 again. It's possible, or it could be close enough. I'm not sure. But yeah, we still are trading here. We're getting into this pinch point. If you can see that on BTC USD here on the 1 day for Coinbase, we're trading in this downtrend here, and it's getting kind of tight between the 9 day moving average and this downward pressure of our resistance line. So the interesting thing here is that it could possibly break up to the upside. I know that at some point we had something like this where we were coming down like that, right? And this broke to the upside pretty hard. So I'm just looking for something like that where we're starting to get sandwiched between the 9 day moving average and the downtrend, and then hopefully we get a bit of a breakout. I'd still love to see this thing go over the Kumo cloud top side. That would be wonderful. That's what I would love to see in the near term. Long term, I'd love to see it, believe it or not, I'd love to see it backtest this gigantic gap here where we have almost no trading going on up here. Okay, this is kind of a gigantic trading gap from here to here. So yeah, I'd love to see a retest coming back up that high. I could be smoking the real good stuff thinking that, but I know that markets can sometimes throw curveballs in us and go from there. If I look at the week chart though, however, my optimism for that happening is not that great, because honestly, if I take away the Kumo cloud, let's hide this one and we'll get rid of those. Okay, actually we're gonna leave those ones in there. Okay, so from the top, you know, we were above the 9 day moving average on the week chart, and we never really opened and closed fully, except for maybe right here on this one candle above the 9 day. So for us to go way up here would be a huge stretch, but I do consider this gigantic gap right here an area where we should be for the market should come up to. Now I often wonder, is this a way for the market to go even more bearish but have a reason to spike up and go even higher next time? So when the market finally bottoms out and runs up higher, is this the area that it will run to? I'm thinking that it's possible, and it would fulfill its destiny, so to speak, of trading in that zone. So that's it. BTC USD 3,591. Stay in it. XRP USD 31. Now it's 30 cents. 30 cents. Let's check this one out. I'm going to add the indicators back in. We'll check it out here. We're going to go back to the daily. All right, here we go. We put in a sell right here. It's been kind of slipping. I'm not real sure if we're going to get recovery out of this or not. It's looking a bit death cross-ish on the RSI, but money flow's kind of been coming up here the last couple days, which is really good. It's getting above the 0 line, and you know, it's kind of creeping. But this isn't a real bull move, really. I mean, it's not. There's just not much here just yet. It could go bull at any minute, but I'm going to say stay out of it. XRP BTC is a stay out of it situation for now. Today's candle that just closed had a little bit of a rebound here. It was expected. We've had 4 red days in a row and are running pretty hard. I thought we would get a little bit of a relief, but it's not too much here. How about LTC USD at $43.64? I am looking at this and going, I'm gonna hold this in as a sell right here, but I can always be wrong. I'm wrong a lot, and it's possible this thing could run even higher. If it does, make sure you put in some stop buys wherever it is you're comfortable at. But as of now, I am leaving it in as a sell, and we're going to leave it at that. LTC BTC is still a sell in my opinion, for indicator's sake. I do have money flow running up pretty good here, but that's kind of a reaction, a knee-jerk reaction to the big red that we had here. It's trying to rally off of that red, but I was saying this before, that with both Litecoin USD and BTC, we would expect to get an ABC correction, but the B never goes higher than the top. It could rally to try to go higher and fake us out. That is possible. So yeah, remember when we put a sell in, always remember that possible ABC correction that can come up and maybe even double top that high. And there's opportunities, you know, if you're trying to get out down here on this candle, right? Oh, I'm going to get out down here. Just remember that there could be a bit of a bounce coming at some point. So yeah, that's LTC BTC. We are going to stay out of it. ETH USD BTC, we're staying in ETH. Ethereum has been just kind of running up here. Now it's been real shy of the 50-day moving average and is now currently inside the Kumo cloud, but it is trading bullish. So I'm gonna see what it does from here. We'll probably ping pong around inside the Kumo cloud, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But so far, volume's looking real good. Money flow's excellent. I just like this. RSI is strong. This is a great position to be in. ETH USD is $121. We're going to stay in this also. It's had a power move here, and it's just basically been trading sideways, but into the Kumo cloud now, which is fantastic. Stay in it. Bitcoin Cash USD $120 on the 1 day for Coinbase. Boy, it is on the line again. Second day. Is this the second day in a row? Third day in a row. Wow. Third day in a row. I'm going to leave Bitcoin Cash right where it's at. And hopefully we get some performance out of this. I figured we would have a few days of trading sideways because of our RSI dipping right here. It's now in the do or die situation either today or tomorrow, where we need to connect the two and run higher and stay above that yellow line of the 0. That would be excellent. Bitcoin Cash USD at $120. Stay in it. USD or ZEC USDC is $53 now. $53. Yes. Yeah, loving that. This one was beautiful. Remember, if you didn't get it on the breakout, you could get it on the pullback and then run with it as it goes higher. Excellent move. Where were we before the breakout? Around 45, and now we're at 52. That's a nice run. Like that. ZEC coin looking good. Stay in it for now. It's bumping its head on the 50-day moving average, but that's okay. ETC USD is $4.05 on Ethereum Classic. It is a buy. We got in on the big candle like a couple others on that day, February the 8th, and we've been in it ever since. Love to see a pickup of the volume indicator. That would be fantastic. We do have a RSI death cross, which is kind of concerning to me, but love the money flow situation. That's looking good too. So stay in it. Currently, ZRX USD is still a sell. It's coming down below the 9. We're dropping out of favor of volume, and RSI is definitely death crossing and going down here. Stay out of it. Basic attention token USDC is 11 cents, almost 12. Stay in it. It's come down to retest that 9. Hopefully we can stay above and stay bullish. Digibyte BTC on the 1 day for Bittrex. Stay out of that. We have a downtrend here. I'm just going to get rid of this noise here, and we'll get rid of this noise. Let's remove that. There you go. Okay, so yeah, there's our last calls here. Doing okay. Digibyte, stay out of it for now. Tron, TRX, BTC continuing its downtrend. Remember our sell back here on the 31st of January. We said get out of it. It's dumping hard. It did. It broke through the 9 and tried to rebound. We did not buy back into this. I figured this was our fake out, or if anything, it was part of our A, B, and C correction that we're involved in. Remember, I just talked about that, so keep an eye out for that on some of these other coins that are like Litecoin that's being a bit toppy. All right, so that's Tron. Stay out of it. Theta still on the downtrend. We got our double tweezer top. I circled that, and I put in a sell. It's over in my opinion for now. We shall see. Theta, how about OMG? OMG still running hard. Stay in it. OMG USD is $1.18 on the 1 day for Bitfinex. How about Dash? Dash is still on the line of the Kumo cloud at 84 bucks, but still very bullish. Stay in it. Proppy, PRO. How about this one? Still bearish. Man, Proppy just not really performing right now. Yeah, it's just not performing. How about Populous, PPT? What's up? What's up, Jack? Oh yeah, you sure can. It's on the couch, or on the, yeah, there you go. You knew that. He's awesome. Cheers to you guys if you got kids, man. They're so awesome. Drinking a little La Croix peach pear. Ooh la la. I gotta drink that pinkies out. That's sophisticated right there. Populous, BTC. Like I said, it's still a sell. Stay out of it. It's just going down. Nothing to see here, people. Ambrosis going down. Nothing to see here. Humanique trying to battle, trying to go bull. I am saying let's stay out of it for now. It's got to prove itself. It keeps doing this, and I'm concerned that this is yet another fake out coming inbound. Right here, let's pull it down to this one here. There you go. That makes a little more sense. Probably another fake out inbound before a pullback. I'd like to see a real breakout on this. That would be fantastic. But yeah, I'm staying clear of it for now. ADA, we bought in on this bad boy, this Cardano run up. Still looking good. ADA BTC, that is, on the 1 day for Binance. We're in the Kumo cloud. Right now just below and kissing the 50-day moving average, which is fantastic, but we are bullish. I like this right here. Remember, in the Kumo cloud, anything goes. What happens in the Kumo cloud stays in the Kumo cloud. Stay in it. MPX Pundy still going. Wow, look at this little fella. We got a nice green candle here. Yeah, it's still performing, so it looks like it wants to come back and retest that 9. That's fine. Looking good. Neo Neo BTC still running. Oh yeah, I love this candle here on this breakout we got in. That was February the 8th. It looked real good. The day before on the 7th looked strong also. I love this. We will see what happens once we get up here. It probably will bonk its head and get a little bit of resistance. We are getting the 200-day moving average coming down into it, but so far so good. It's looking strong. Let's stay in it for now. That's Neo XTZ Tezos. Oh, I got to do my homework on Tezos. Some very interesting things are brewing on this guy. I want to just load up on this one here. So Tezos XTZ is 38 cents on the 1 day for Kraken. It's got tons of upside potential. I believe on coin market cap it went to about 11 bucks. So there is a lot of upside there. Maybe a 22 times, 25 times your money possibility if we get run up to that high again. How about QLC chain? Oh boy, this one's interesting. Let's pull this out. Nope, don't get in it yet. I am excited about this prospect here, but I'm not taking the bait. QLC, don't get it just yet. How about Aeon? Aeon is looking better. Looking a lot better. I'd love to make sure that this one opened and closes below the 9 or above the 9 before we get in. But since back here on the 5th of February, it's kind of trending up, but I want to make sure that it stays bullish. We're going to stay out of it for now. Aeon Doge BTC still coming down. We've been out of this since the 14th of January. That's okay. How about HOT? What's it doing here? Oh boy. Wow. We got back into HOT because we were super excited about a potential run up. We are now on the 9. I'm nervous about this. We're getting diminishing volume and things are just not really looking that great here. I'm going to say let's just see where it takes us, right? I like the RSI coming up right here, and it's getting a boost from this big old monster here. But yeah, we'll see. We're gonna stay in it for now. HOT's okay. BTC, or I'm sorry, BitTorrent, BTT on the 1 day for Binance. Boy, oh boy, let's check this out. We do better trading this without any indicators. That's kind of fun. Yeah, I would say pretty much just stay in it. It's nothing. It's not really doing anything fancy right now. I do like that we got on our RSI. We're on the come up, so that's looking fine. And but I would like to see more out of these out of money flow. I would love to see more out of that. How about XLM? Stellar Lumen still on the downtrend. Ew, that's no good. Yeah, it's just dumping even more. Okay, well, stay out of it. How about BNB? Look, I told you guys, did I not tell you? The other day I said let's call it and get into it. I knew it was going to do this because it's been looking toppy since the day I laid eyes on it. And here it is right here. Oh man, there's our candle for today. This is the one that just opened. We've got like 23 hours left on this bad boy. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm selling it. I know we just got in it, but I'm out. This is okay. That's okay. It's okay. It's sometimes this happens. And remember, I'm new to this coin, so it's going to throw you curveballs until you get a feel for it. Let's add back in that Kumo cloud, shall we? There it is. Oh, what? The Kumo cloud's there. It's so high above the Kumo cloud it wasn't even showing up. Look at that. Look at this beast. Let's add this in. There you go. All right, there it is. Yeah, we're just skyrocketing. Superman out of here. This was our tweezer top. Let me circle it with the sell. Beautiful tweezer top, in my opinion. we had a tweezer top here, and on the pullback, it never quite reached the 9. That's what I was waiting for, confirmation of the 9 to possibly buy back in. But now it just ran higher. We got back in on this one here with, there you go, there it is. It's running higher, and now we're out. So yeah, we've in the past we've botched this trade, but I think it is now officially, yep, this is BNB on the USD. We're going to put this one as a sell also. Boom, boom. There's our double top we were looking for. Tweezers right there, guys. Okay, it's going down. Let's turn this red. Okay, party's over. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. There's nothing to see here, folks. Let's see. Yep. Okay, to me it's over. Yeah, when that RSI started dipping like that, yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, well, that's it for that one. Let's move back into Bitcoin. BTC USD 3,592. Stay in it currently. Remember to set your stops wherever you want to set them. Please set your stops, please, 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 for your own safety. I don't care which one of these coins you're trading. Just set them. All right, that's all. That's all I gotta say. Who's doing good today? Let's check it out. Well, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, ZEC, ETH Classic, Basic Attention Token, OMG, Dash, ADA, MPX, Pundi, Neo, and Hot and BTT. Those are your winners for today, along with Bitcoin. Guys, this is awesome. There's plenty to trade here. Looking really good. Cheers to you guys one more time. Thanks for joining me. God bless you, and I will see you. Yeah, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. All right, I'm out. See ya.